Changing cabin air filter in Toyota Prius is fairly straightforward. So in the UK version at least, you need to do it from the passenger side. So move the seat backwards, open the drawer and then remove the drawer from here. So let me do it first. Once that's done, you will have access to this, and now it's fairly easy. Okay, actually I need to go to the other side. Okay, so we need to open this, remove this filter. Now notice airflow, that's the direction. The airflow direction is not critical, but it's quite important because the filter has been designed to work that way. So remove it. Now to double check it, you can turn on the fan actually and feel it with the hand. So I'm just going to do it now carefully. Yeah, I can feel the air is it's not blown from the fan, which is here, but it's actually, you can feel it's going from another direction. So it must be going this way. So that was correct. Let me switch it off. And I'll just pop back the new filter, nice and blue. This one was the original. The original one was green. Now it's a bit less green. So basically that's it. Now pop this back in and then do everything else in the reverse direction. And basically that's it. You're sorted. Okay. Cheers.